Yo, Brooks, Taylor, what's for lunch?
What's up? Some buffalo chicken sandwich.
All right, let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch today. We're joined by Brooks, Koepka, Talor Gooch. Guys, thanks for being here.
Good to be here.
This will be fun. You guys cook at all?
No, I haven't cooked in years.
Coffee, nothing.
No, I don't drink coffee.
You don't
hot drinks.
He doesn't eat ketchup apparently.
Yeah.
No ketchup?
Yeah, no ketchup.
What the heck?
We'll unpack that later. What
Yeah,
about you,
correct.
Taylor? Do you cook at all?
Just a little bit. No, I'm definitely no chef, but just a little bit.
Okay, and you're both married. Your wives cook, or what? Are you guys eating out? You guys go.
She tries. Yeah.
She tries. All right, there you go.
She does good. She does good when she does.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right. Well, buffalo chicken. We got to get one thing off the bat. Are we doing ranch or blue cheese?
Ranch.
Ranch.
Ranch? Okay.
Yes.
All right, I'll throw the blue cheese out. We'll make homemade ranch. All right, so to get started, we have chicken thighs here. I got a head start. You guys told me yesterday you wanted buffalo chicken, so these have been marinated overnight in buttermilk, a little bit of the Frank's Red Hot they'll be using, and then some spices, some seasonings, paprika, cayenne pepper, all that. How's your spice? What's the spice level we're going with?
I love spicy.
You love
Yeah.
spicy?
Yeah.
All right,
Let's
perfect.
get to it.
Perfect. All right, so we have some all-purpose flour here. All we're gonna put in that, this is a mix of, we have cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. That is just gonna be our dredge here for the chicken. All that we're gonna do here, we'll mix this up. And what you wanna do with to get the crispiest kind of fried chicken is you take your batter and we're gonna drizzle a little bit of this buttermilk in here, and it's gonna start to clump up. You want little clumps in there. It's like
Yes.
so kind of the same thing with pancakes, how you want them a little clumpier. That's how we're gonna get the most texture on these. So if you want us to give that a quick mix there, Brooks,
There we go.
appreciate it.
Ooh, in the kitchen, boys.
There you go. Do you guys have a pre-round meal that you like to eat? I guess you're starting pretty early, so does it change based on tea time?
But yeah, now we're going late.
Now
That's a
you're
good
going
thing with Liv. Yeah, we go late, so you
Okay.
can sleep in, have a little breakfast, then get a little lunch there.
Do you like to eat something light before? Does it change? Do you have something you do every single time?
I can't eat something heavy because when you're walking 18 holes, it's like I'm gonna do like some chicken and something light just to get some energy. But if I eat like something like this,
Not gonna happen. Do you guys ever eat like a hot dog at the turn like the rest of us, or when you're playing, are you snacking at all?
I don't even eat when I'm out there. I just eat before. I just, like you said, just eat something light.
What about after?
After I'm starving, so yes.
Do you eat at the clubhouse though? Where you eat at the course, or you go
Yeah,
somewhere?
yeah. I'll eat. We have a chef back at the house, so we'll either
Okay, so-
starving, waiting to get some food back there, and try to hold out.
Is there any course that like you play that you'll know for sure like that clubhouse has the best food?
Yeah, there are some places that are really good. Just depends where you're at. I mean, you could be overseas, and
you can have some weird stuff overseas.
yeah, you can get some interesting
Correct.
stuff. So
Where's your favorite spot overseas? Where do you like to play?
Singapore was pretty good.
Singapore?
They got some
Nice.
good food too.
If you had to have one sandwich besides buffalo chicken, only one sandwich the rest of your life, what kind of sandwich you going with?
Golly. I don't know why my mind just goes to Jersey Mike's.
Really,
Not
Jersey
like
Mike's?
just- not just-
I don't
know why.
That's fine.
Just goes to Jersey Mike's.
That's fine. All right.
I'll do it Italian.
Yeah.
We'll
Cold
go
Italian.
Cold Italian.
Little
right there.
vinegar on there, all
Yes.
that. All right. Are you picky eaters at all, or will you eat pretty
A
much?
little
anything?
picky, but not too
he
bad.
doesn't eat ketchup.
I don't eat
Ketchup.
ketchup, so
Like,
yeah, I guess we'll go picky.
I forgot. After you won, what have you gone out to?
I
anything?
go straight to the alcohol.
I was
Food-
about to say,
the food's an
it's a
afterthought, I gotta be
liquid
honest.
celebration.
Usually it's like 2 a.m. and you're like, oh shit, I need to eat.
Fair enough.
I will say though, I do this. Like if I play bad, I will eat like shit.
Bro, same. I'll like order a pizza.
I sulk
and
in
just
it.
like, yes.
Yeah, I want bad food when I play like shit.
100%.
Okay. So more like on the John Daly method when you're just.
You can't pull fat.
Yeah.
Correct.
All right, so these are looking good. See how much we have, like that, all that
Yeah,
texture.
so
You really want to press them in, so you get all those little cracks and crevices full. I'm gonna have you guys start chopping stuff here. So
Let's go.
no one's been hurt on this show yet, so
We'll
we're gonna
keep it
We'll knock
that
on
way.
wood as
stay
well.
consistent.
Hey, this is hard, by the way. I know you've never cut an onion.
No,
This is hard.
This won't be that hard. No one's gonna cry today, all right? Because we have sharp knives, and that's the reason you cry is because you have a dull knife and it breaks that
Really?
membrane. and
Really?
A gas gets released every time. So
Okay.
if you have a sharp knife, no crying. Taylor, I'm gonna have you on that one. Brooks,
All right.
you're on that one.
I'm telling you, he's gonna do like this thing. It's like, shh, shh, and then it's like.
Well, that's for if we're doing a dice. We're doing a slice.
Oh,
but-
we're
so you
doing-
know what you're
oh,
talking about, though. That's
I don't
pretty
know
good.
how to do it.
That's pretty good. There's like a natural anatomy of the onion. You see kind of those lines.
Yep.
What we're gonna try to do is follow those along. So you kind of start at an angle and work your way up, and you're just slicing like this.
You should do exactly what
I
he's
was thinking
doing.
exactly like that.
Again, speed comes
I'm not
with
doing
practice.
speed. No,
so this
no,
is
no,
start
listen,
slow.
I need my
When-
fingers.
when hold your knife, if
Yeah.
you're
Going right here,
your
right?
thumb and forefinger here, so you have more control if you hold the knife like
If
this.
he
Though.
cuts himself,
What do
I'm
I got?
gonna crack
Take your
up.
thumb, put your thumb on that.
Okay.
And take your finger there, yeah, and then get those fingers here tucked so we're not
Yes,
gonna.
I know I'm not gonna kill
All right,
anything.
all right,
ready?
yeah. And then, all right, that's just a little steep of an angle. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Go nice
We're
and
getting there. We're getting
Yeah,
there.
there you go. That's
See,
it.
look at this, pro boys.
Pro.
But you gotta like slice through it. Now.
Yeah, no, I know.
It's not going all the way through, but that's the
No, we're getting there. We're getting there.
We're getting there.
It's like you've done this before.
I have multiple times.
All things considered, that's a pretty good slice. That's usable right there.
Right there, usable.
That's a little thick, but it's all right.
I ain't going. I ain't going for the second one.
Making onion rings over here.
All right, Taylor, you're up.
I don't even know how to do this here. So we go here, here.
Yeah, I wouldn't try to
and
go
then-
too steep. Just this, yeah, you just go there. But with that knife, if you want to grab it with your thumb here and your
Yeah.
forefinger there, you're gonna have. You don't really need the handle at all. You'll have more control that way. There you go. There you go. Boom. There it is. That's got a nice.
That's
sound.
way better.
It's a nice
That's way
sound.
better than mine.
It's a nice sound.
Didn't cut myself. We're gonna stop
Perfect.
I'll
there.
take it as a win.
Perfect. That's great.
You can tell which ones are mine, yeah.
No, that one.
I don't know.
This one didn't go all the way through. We'll save that for something else.
Knife wasn't sharp enough.
Yeah,
I don't know what you're talking
He was
that's
just afraid
true.
to cut himself. So he was being soft in
Hey,
the beginning.
that'll work. To that, we're just gonna go a little tangerine vinegar, so it's a little bit sweet, and then that's just gonna sit. For a full-on pickle, you're gonna want to boil it with
nice.
a brine, but a quick pickle in 5-10 minutes, this will start to change color, soften up. Rice wine's it's a little stronger here than that tangerine, so this will help pickle it even faster. But then, yeah, that's it.
A little bit, yeah.
We'll let that
Yeah.
yeah, you want it to really, you want it to soak in there. We can move on to the fun part. We're gonna fry our chicken up. So just lay these in the oil. You kind of want to dip it in, get it going, and then just lay, and that'll just chatter away. 5 minutes is all it really takes with these. And we're using thighs. I'll never recommend cooking with a chicken breast. If you're doing anything from grilling to making a fried chicken, the thigh is just the superior cut. There's a lot more fat in it, so it's much harder to fuck up. It's harder to overcook.
Okay.
And it's the perfect size for a sandwich. And yeah, with that fat content, it's gonna be much juicier every single time.
I feel like it's easier to like cut up a chicken breast.
It is, yeah. It's easier to cut up, but thighs will cook faster too. And like people are so worried about chicken getting it overcooked, that with a thigh you can overcook it and it's still
It's
gonna
still
be
good? Okay.
Still gonna be good.
How often have you burned yourself?
A good amount of times.
Yeah.
All right, so let's make our ranch. How about that?
Make some ketchup for him in a minute too.
I know. I'll try ketchup. Fuck it. You
You've
ready?
never had ketchup?
Dude,
yeah.
I don't mess with it.
Ever though? Like you've never had it?
No, dude. Every time I get like a burger, I check it. I'll never put it on fries.
Even as a kid though?
No.
So ranch is pretty easy to make. The basis is sour cream, mayonnaise, garlic, and then some fresh chives and some fresh dill. We have some parsley in there.
I didn't know garlic was in ranch.
Yeah, and a fresh ranch, yeah. So like raw garlic has a spice to it almost.
Yeah.
So that helps. And if like you're ever chopping garlic and you want to get into a paste, smash it, but then take a little salt on that. The grains of that salt are gonna just crush it.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Mix it
perfect.
right into a paste.
God, little tricks of the
I'm
trade.
starving now.
So boom, that's perfect like that. Garlic goes in. You guys want to chop some more? You want to chop the chives? We can get you guys
Hey,
chopping again.
I know we can chop chives. though.
Listen,
I
I'll
think you guys
get
got-
through that one. I
wanna
know I'll
see-
get through that.
I want to see you guys do the chives.
Hey, I can sprinkle some dill in. Your turn.
All right,
Throw some
whatever.
dill
Yeah,
in
I'll
there.
stick in there. Perfect. We're golden now, boys.
Yes.
Beautiful. All right, chive time. So just like this, the motion is the same,
Yeah.
and then we're going really thin here.
All right,
Take it away,
I'll go,
bro.
I'll go, I'll
You
go.
got it. You got it.
Oh God. I'm not good at chopping.
Let's fit up. Taylor, you want to give it a whack there?
I'm gonna cut myself.
Let's see. Yeah, better than mine.
All right, so
not
that's
too
why I
bad.
cut myself.
Our seasoning, a little salt, a little dried parsley, garlic powder, onion powder. Chives looking great. That's what you want there. Chives will go in. How does that look? Yeah, that's looking good.
Looking good.
That's looking solid. You're really looking for color, so like that's like
Gets a little golden,
yeah,
baby.
golden brown.
Yeah.
So we're getting right there, honestly.
There we go.
Chicken's looking perfect. All right, then we're gonna make our buffalo sauce too, which is just red hot, classic buffalo flavor. A little bit of vinegar goes in that. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce,
Can you say that, Brooks?
Nah, I ain't gonna mess that up, bro.
a little honey, and then honestly, the secret to buffalo sauce, like what takes it from just
Butter.
Frank's Red Hot, is the butter. So butter goes in there.
Okay.
Toast our bread, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, a nice brioche bun.
How was that? Chives really make that?
Chives really make that, yeah.
I thought so. Now, if you want to make this even spicier, what would you do?
You're trying to make this like a Nashville style hot chicken.
Yeah.
You take cayenne pepper
cayenne.
and
little bit
you
more.
get some of that frying oil, put it hot oil in the cayenne pepper, and then you brush that on, and it gets super spicy.
Okay. Load it up. There you go. Golden now. Now we're
That's the
cooking.
money
There
shot.
we go. Now, those onions you guys pickled, you can top the sandwiches with those, and then we'll finish with that.
Ooh.
All right, boys, and there you go, buffalo chicken sandwich. And you guys honestly did a lot of the work, so that's
We did most of the work.
I felt like I did. I feel like I did the whole thing, honestly.
Nope.
That's fantastic.
We doing good?
Oh,
That dog will hunt.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Guys, that's going to do it for this episode of What's for Lunch. Brooks, Koepka, Talor Gooch, thanks for being here, guys. See you next time.